guys, in today's video, I'm giving you exercise 10 solution of news API. In exercise 10, I will give you a use the news APIs and the request module to fetch the daily news related to different topics. And I give you one URL and explore the various options to build your application. So in today's video, I'm giving you a exercise 10 solution. So please see this video start to end. If you not see this video start to end, so you doesn't do not understand what is a solution of exercise 10. And I tell you one more thing else. This is a small video because I'm giving you a exercise 10 solution. And in next video, please in this video, I'm telling you like please comment me like I have done this exercise. Then I give you a shout out to you, and then you will be shout out I'm giving you. Okay, so now we meet now in next video I will be tell you of like exercise 11. Okay, so that will also exciting, but in today's video I'm giving you exercise 10 solution. So please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And please, if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe it and all the notification bell. So now I will be need not take your long time, and please comment me and share my all videos. So now let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video we are I'm giving you exercise 10 solution. So now let's start what type of solution. Exercise 10, use the news API. I give you a one exercise and the request module to fetch the daily news related to different topics. Go to HTTPS and I will give you one link and explore the various options to build your application. So this is your solution, and here you can see it like I run it. It's just I will be do like import request, import JSON, query, import what type of news are you interested in, URL, query, and our request dot get URL, news, and JSON dot loads are dot tags. And here's come like what type of news are you interested in. Like I write like programming news, programming news. So now here you can see it. You give it many types of what type of news you are interested in. This is a one very beautiful exercise 10 solution using use the news API and the request module to fetch the daily news. And in here the request module is also be included. Okay, and like what type of news are you interested, and you write like your news, and it is very simple. Okay, and like news API, it is very simple tasks I will be give you, and you will be only solve it. And like URL I give you, all thing I give you, and you will be only do that. And this is a one link I will tell you like I click it, and now here's come like get API key, and here you can see it. You will be logging in it, and I give you one very beautiful exercise, and you have to solve it. And please, if you are solved it, so please write into the comment I have solved it, and I will give then I will be give you the shout it to all the people who will be do it in next exercise what I will be giving you. So now I hope you can understand. In this exercise I will tell you exercise 10, use the news API and the request module to fetch the daily news related to different topics. Go to HTTP, this is a link, and explore the various options to build your application. So I hope you can understand that. And if you go on to my channel by the name of CodeWithPK, and when you go to the CodeWithPK, so there is please subscribe it. Please do my 800k subscribers. Sorry, 8k subscribers. Okay, and this latest video I will be uploaded of Airbnb clone using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but it's not a responsible. Like it and share from here with your friends, your family, and please comment me. And now this is that video, and this is the dice rolling game. You will very enjoy this project. Okay, you will make comments, give me up so much comments, and like my videos, and share that, and go to the playlist. If you not access my Python tutorial playlist, so please access and bookmark it. And please tell me what do you like this thumbnail, or do you like it this all thumbnails, or this thumbnail. So okay, tell me in the comment. So in today's video, I will be give you one exercise 10 solution, and this is small video because of I am giving you one solution. That's why this video is small. And in the next video, I'm telling you about one an exercise I am giving you, and this exercise 11, and exercise 11 is so very beautiful, and this is so one exciting exercise 11. And please exercise 10 solution, and give me a comment into the next one like I have done it, then I will be give you a shout out and all thing. Okay, so now I meet you next class and next very amazing class. So please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And if you not share my video yet, so first of all share it also. So now I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python or Python project or big video. So for today, goodbye.